In 1876, the farm Dublin was purchased by Thomas Hickman. That's the farm right across the road here. Today we celebrate something that I'm sure he never dreamed about. Dublin Farms has been owned and operated by the Hickman family for 150 years. My name is Mark Hickman. We're at our new pack facility here in Horntown, Virginia. We've just increased our pack capabilities with the new wash line that can handle more product per hour, and also put in two new Nutex optical sorters that will also help us take out some labor and increase the output of our pack capacity. Had a tour, so we had a lot of folks from Walmart came by. They're a very big customer of ours that push Virginia grown in their stores, and then we were also fortunate to have the Secretary of Ag, Katie Frazier, and Commissioner of Ag, Charles Green, along with our U.S. House Representative, Jen Kiggins, was also here. And our local state representatives were here, Bill DeSteff and Rob Block.
This is exciting. So many people are here to celebrate not just potatoes, but to celebrate Virginia agriculture. We do a lot of talking about Virginia agriculture up in Washington. There's a lot of competition from a lot of states. The peanut people are always trying to tell me their peanuts are with the potato people, the corn people, the cotton people. I mean, there's a lot of competition up there where I get to work. So thank you guys for producing the best potatoes possible. Thank you for Walmart for sharing that with not just Virginia, but across the country.
This success story highlights a shared commitment to supporting Virginia's agriculture community while making fresh, locally produced products more accessible to consumers across the Commonwealth. By partnering with farms like Dublin Farms, Walmart helps expand market opportunities for local producers, strengthens our state's agricultural economy, and gives customers the opportunity to purchase the very best, Congresswoman Kiggins, Virginia-grown products close to home.
Virginia grown and the Walmart partnership that we have, and how much they have partnered with us to feature Virginia grown potatoes into their stores. They've been a great partner with us, along with Bushwick Potato Commissions, who get us into the Walmarts. They've really worked well with us, and Walmart has been very accepting of receiving our product. Always take it every year. We're in their stores, in every store in the state. And they let us use our label, which screams Virginia grown, whereas they don't make us go into the regular Walmart label. And that's the way we think why this program is so successful with them. They let us use a label that says this is a Virginia grown farm that is packing and shipping Virginia grown potatoes to Virginia Walmarts. Without strong partnerships like ours with Bushwick and Walmart, we would not still be in the same business that started 150 years ago.
Today is about more than just potatoes. It's about the people, partnerships, and the shared commitment that make locally grown agriculture successful. For decades, Bushwick and Dublin Farms have worked side by side with one goal: to grow, pack, and ship the highest quality Virginia potatoes with an unwavering commitment to food safety, sustainability, consistency, and value. We're equally proud of our partnership with Walmart. The commitment to sourcing locally grown produce helps connect customers with the farmers in their communities while delivering fresher products, supporting family farms, strengthening local economies. Together, we're able to bring Virginia potatoes from these fields to Walmart stores with fewer food miles, providing outstanding freshness and quality for our customers.
If we're going to be doing this 30, 40 years from now, we need to be embracing this new technology and just moving forward with it instead of staying with the old ways. We need to be moving forward, and I think this line has us set up for the next 3-4 decades. A banner like this saying that we've been here for 150 years and we're still in the potato business because we have always dedicated ourselves and looked towards the future, and with companies like Walmart and Bushwick helping us move towards the future, it's been a real honor.